these every 2 or 3 years. It's an heirloom seed. Tastes very similar to a regular peanut. It has a black skin instead of a red skin.
How cool is that?
So we harvest these usually. You can see the little peanuts are starting to form
I was gonna
here.
say, where do they grow off of?
It's amazing, really. You get the blooms, and then from the blooms you get this little tendril that goes down into the soil, and then the peanut forms under the soil.
Oh.
Wow. Vicky is amazing.
Look at those.
Look at the peanuts.
So they're under there.
That is so cool. That is really neat.
Awesome. Okay, so this is some of the kale we will have.
Oh, awesome. Definitely want
Got
some
red
kale.
Russian, and it's mixed with 7-top turnip greens. So
Oh, wow.
we like the greens as well.
Definitely want some of these for the turnips and also the kale.
Oh yeah.
These are beautiful.
That's so
Vicky.
pretty.
Absolutely beautiful.
And then this is our strawberries. I'll be taking some of the plants out and replanting them in October.
Oh, okay.
We try to, start new plants every year,
Right.
and
So
and
how
they'll
long does that
actually
take?
they'll actually fruit next year. They'll be
Oh, cool. So we'll have strawberries for the next one.
yes.
It's because I know last time we came out, these were like little tiny asparagus coming out of the ground.
Exactly.
And now they're
Right. We harvest the spears. That's what first comes out of the ground for about 8 weeks in the spring. And then we have to let the spears grow so that they can feed the roots, so we can have plants every year, and they'll go on for 20 years.
Wow.
I never knew that.
Yes.
And so no matter what color the asparagus is, because weren't some yellow and some green?
Well,
or-
purple. We have purple and green spears, and they all eventually grow out and be these ferny stalks, and they're green. They always turn. They're a little darker. The purple ones are a little bit darker. They're the ones over here on the far side.
Oh, okay.
But they'll die off back to the ground, and we'll actually burn this off,
Okay.
and then we'll be waiting for the shoots
'Cause
to
with the
come back
root,
up
it's
in
with
the
the root,
spring.
yeah.
Yes.